getting myself right involved today. Driver's doors off, made a little wood chisel, cut a little groove out and pins out of the door. So I managed to get off that, come off quite easily, so I've done all that. I'll put the seal on, the outer seal. Obviously I'm not going to put that on yet until I've done the front end, but I want to put it on to see how far away I was with this line that looks pretty good, look, to be honest. Just like, see that line there, can't you, there? So yeah. So I've clamped it all on, so that's all in place. So then when I come to doing the panel of this panel I've done, I've got to put a bend in it here. Got to put a bend in it about here, I think. So that is where the jack and point bracket is, which I think is down here. It's quite messy in here at the moment because I haven't had a chance to clear it up. But there's the bracket. I don't know if I'll make a new one of these or I will clean this up. But I don't know. It looks pretty naff, to be honest. But I might make a new one. Not hard to make, is it? So that goes in there. Obviously that will go in there because it's got some of the rust on it. Does it go that way? No, yeah. Well, it goes on there, doesn't it? But it goes further down because that's got to be cut away yet. I've got what goes over, I don't know. I can't remember. I'll figure it out anyway. So yeah, that goes in there. Because that obviously gets down a bit closer to that. So that goes in there. So that's all clamps down in there. And I've got to put a bend in it. It's about here, I think. So like a little step. And then it steps underneath this panel here. So that's why I've got this. That's why I put that on today. So I can get all this tidied up and done. But what I'm going to do today is I am going to do this. I'm going to make the panel for this. Replace all this. Put that back on. Weld it all back on. Job done. But after I've done that, I'm going to tidy all this up inside. Clean all this up here. Paint it all inside. Paint all that inside there. Get all this chassis back on. Make sure it's in the right place for when the jig. So yeah, this is where I'm heading today. So right, let's go for it. Well, that ain't too bad. Not too bad at all. Let me see, the light is absolutely rubbish in here today. Let me set that, weld it all up. It's all nice and smooth. So I'm going to give it a bit of a primer now. And then I'm going to stick this on somewhere there. Stick that back on, spot weld all this back on, give it a primer underneath in here, primer this bit, and then we're done. We're done for the day. So I'm happy with that. So I'm going to smash on with this now. Not too bad. It's come up all right. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, that's all done and primed now. It's all on there solid. So we're getting there. We've got lights fell down. Brilliant. Oh God, I'm having a right on there. Yeah, so it's getting there. So I've got to put one of them. I think they're called T-nuts. I think they're called. I've got to put one of them. Oh, there we go. One of them. So I've got to put one of them in there. That's for the fuel pump bracket. So I'm going to get one of them. Might get two because that's a bit muddled as well. So I might just get two, get that done. Hopefully, on the next video we'll get this done, get all this bit done, and then this whole bit will nearly be done. So this whole side we'll be getting there. But anyway, I'm going to jump over to here. So, well pleased what got done today. Wasn't expecting to get that much done, to be honest. But yeah, good day, good positive day. Thanks for coming back again. Thanks for subscribing and all the comments. Fantastic, keep them coming. Smash that notification bell so you can see the next videos coming up. And I'll see you next time.